opening Neatos! Woo! Neatos, they're so popular right now.
Yeah, and there's a lot in here.
This whole entire Easter basket is completely full. Like, I wish you could feel how heavy it is through the screen. I'm not kidding. This is like, if you get 5 of these, it weighs as much as Alana. I'm just saying, it is so heavy. So Alana had a fun idea for how we're going to open all of these. Do you want to tell them your idea?
So let's say Kayla turned around.
Okay.
I could go like this or that, and she would pick a side.
Okay.
And that would determine which one she opened.
Ooh.
Or we could do rock, paper, scissors to pick which one we opened.
Should we start with rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah, yeah! I love that this is your Neato unboxing, and I get to pick the first one. Okay. Oh, this is hard. I feel like I was already eyeballing this one. Actually, fun fact, after this, we're going to be doing a big Neato trade, and I already know I want to try to trade for this. So this is the Neato Fuzz Ball.
Yeah.
And I have this in, like, mini formation, but this looks so satisfying. Are you trying to save the boxes or no? Should I open this gently? Or... You don't care. Okay.
Rip it.
Rip it. Okay.
Oh my god.
It has little flowers on it.
And a smiley face.
Oh my god. Wait, that is so cute. My mini ones are just fuzzy. They don't have all those details. So you best believe I'm going to be trying to trade for that one. I'm just saying.
I think I want to open this ice cube glitter glow in the dark.
Ooh, I have not. Wait, I don't have a sparkly. I was going to say I haven't seen it. Yes, I have. That's a lie. I just don't own one. I love the nice cubes. And they all have like a different texture. Some are squishier than others.
This is so cool.
I want to smell it.
It's hard.
Before I squeeze it. Okay, this one honestly doesn't smell way too strong. But yeah, this one does have like a tougher texture.
Yeah.
Do you like the ones that are more squishy?
Yeah.
Or
I
yeah.
like the ones that are a little more squishy.
Me too. Okay, so these are the 2 we opened so far. We have like a blue theme going.
Yeah.
Okay, so for this round, we want to like do
This
some
or
sort of
that.
a... Okay, this or that. All right, let's do this or that. Okay, this or that.
This.
Okay, you picked this one.
The big one.
This was the that, by the way. There's really nothing to open with this, I guess. Oh my gosh. I think I have that one. Yeah, but yours is a lot more clear than mine. I need to give my Neatos a bath, you guys. Because they collect, like, dirt very, very easily. Oh, I can smell it from here. The clear ones smell so strong. You got it. And... There we go.
This is the squishy texture.
Oh, is it? Yeah. It's so hard to watch someone else playing with a Neato and not just like, I always want to just grab it and then that makes me look so rude. But it's so tempting. Oh my, it smells like the good old fidget days. I love it. What do you rate this?
10 out of 10.
I rate it a 10 out of 10 as well.
When my mom showed me, I'm like...
Yeah, I bet you were flabbergasted. Okay, I'm gonna try to stop smelling it, but it's like so addictive. Okay, so now you do this or that for me.
Okay.
Okay, I'll just close my eyes.
This or that?
That.
Opening noodles.
Okay, I have those, you guys. They're in my noodle drawer right here. Wait, let me show you. I didn't know that they were Neatos, so they're in here. But I think this is the Neato version.
Little.
Yeah. So, anyway. Okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot I get to open it. Ow. I
There's
just
2
cut
of them,
myself.
so I'll open this one.
Oh, nice. Okay. Maybe I'll try to trade for these then, because you have duplicates. Duplicate for duplicate, you know?
Duplicate for duplicate. Oh, these are big guys.
These are thick. Oh, that's just the way I like them. I love it. Wow. Stop, they look so pretty with our shirts. Like if you hold it up, that satisfies my soul. Oh my God. Okay, I think I might need to trade for these. I swear I do have them, but these look like brighter. I think they made them like slightly more vibrant. I remember Callie used to love these.
Boink.
You know what Callie would do?
What?
Don't do it. But she would spin them around and around. You'd have to do it like out in the open somewhere because it could easily hit somebody. But yeah. These are really fun. I wouldn't say they're my favorite, but they're fun. Yeah. Okay.
Let's do rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors again? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Ah! Okay.
I'm gonna do...
Whoa, this is like bottomless.
The ice cream cone.
The ice cream cone? I love the ice cream cone. They've got all the flavors. There's orange, blue, and pink.
Oh, it's so good.
Yours is so brand new. Oh my god. Actually, no, I don't have this anymore. I gave one to Caitlin. We both took a Neato with us to Disney. So she actually has this now. Oh, I'm going to be eyeballing it. It smells so good. I like how every time I squish it, I'm like, yeah. Do you like the smell of Neatos or no?
Yes.
Do you? Yeah. People either love it or hate it. I personally love it. So.
Oh no, don't go away, Missy.
Wait, I have an idea. Let's think of, you know that game we all play sometimes where we think of a category and we have to say the same thing at the same time?
Yeah.
Or, wait, I don't know how that would work with, like, winning, though. What if, okay, I'm thinking of a color. I'm going to show them the color, and you have 3 guesses to guess it. Okay. Okay. What color do you think it was? You have 3 guesses.
Red.
No.
Orange.
Yes!
Yes!
That was really good. Okay.
Color changing
Ooh,
one.
I love the color changing ones. What color do you think it's going to change into?
Pink. Actually, red.
I think pink. Ooh, it's like orange. Ooh. That's so satisfying. I love the color changing ones. I want to feel that. Ooh, this one's like doughier than mine, I swear. Maybe it's just me, but
Can I show you something?
love it. Yeah, you could show me something.
I have a purple one.
Oh my god, you have to trade one to me. You're not allowed to leave this house until I'm just kidding. You probably like that, actually. Play with the birds, sit in the ball pit. You'd have a good old time. Oh my god, wait, where'd it go? Did you, the purple one. Did you put it back? Okay, wait, whose turn is it? I forget what's going on. Oh, okay.
I went twice. You get to go
Can
twice.
I open
now.
this?
Yeah.
Okay. I lost track of whose turn it was.
I went twice.
Okay. Why do I actually kind of like this one more? Like,
yeah.
I don't know. Even though it doesn't have all of the details.
Like, I feel like that's, like, more satisfying.
Yes.
It's like, it has more hair.
Yes. The hairier, the better. That sounds weird. But no, it's just like, I don't know. There's something about it. Speaking of which, are there wicked colored ones in here?
No.
Yeah, I bet there is. Green. Pink. Pink goes good.
It's a pink football!
Wait, you should open that one next so we can have them all open.
Yeah.
There's usually like 3 of every Neato type.
Well, I have all.
For every color. For every type of Neato, there's 3 colors. That's what I was trying to say.
Happy ones.
Oh my god, stop. I like that one a lot.
You know who's gonna want this?
Hallie?
Caitlin.
Oh,
Good
yes. Uh-huh. Bright pink. Yes.
I love him.
I was saying, I didn't realize that this thing was a Neato. The amount of times Callie and I saw this little duber at Learning Express, and we're just like, what is that? He's really unique, okay? Very unique, but...
His name's Pete.
Pete? Like, for real? What the heck? I thought you just, like, made that up on the spot. It literally is Pete. All right. Cool.
I love this.
No. Which one is your favorite? The purple?
Yeah.
That's mine, too. Darn it. Well, I mean...
You have to have a good offer for this.
Okay. All right. I got a bunch of the little ones, so maybe I'll trade, like, 2 little ones for a big one. Or we'll save that. It's going to be some serious business, guys.
I know what I'm opening up next.
Okay, wait, how do we want to do the next? It's up to you.
Trying to think of a new game.
Me too. I feel like we're always doing so many games. We gotta think of one. Alright, so whose turn is it to do the challenge?
You.
My turn? Okay. So, like, wait, I started or I guess it? You know
guess
what I mean?
it.
Okay. So we're gonna do numbers this time. So Alana's gonna hold up a number with her fingers, and I'm gonna look this way. And I have to guess it within 3, or you get to go again. How's that?
3.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I think it was 2.
Whoa! 2.
I need to play the lottery or something today. That's crazy.
So crazy.
Wow. And I did not hesitate either. I was just like, I know it's 2.
It's 2.
Okay. All right. I should be able to open 2 then. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do that. What if there's a 2 and 1 somewhere in here? This is a 4 and 1. I'm doing this one. Wait, a delayed reaction, but I don't have these. Stop. I want them.
I have like everything she doesn't have.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm so excited for the trading video
My
now.
mommy's cracking up over there.
I mean, no, the enthusiasm is really real, you guys. These are, you know what these remind me of?
What?
Bouncy balls. I used to collect bouncy balls when I was your age. I would beg my mom to take me to the quarter machines at the grocery store. And I had like, I don't know, 50 of them in the end, and then I gave them all to my cousin Hayden. Oh my god. Wait, which one's your favorite? Me too! Oh, I wish we didn't have the same favorites. It's gonna be harder to trade you for them. Okay. I mean, I'd be happy with this one too. I just need one of them. I'm trying to see. Yeah, they do say Neato.
Yeah.
Alana was analyzing my collection, and she realized I had some knockoffs. And I didn't even realize I had some knockoffs.
And I told her.
Yeah, and I'm like, gosh, dilly darn it. But, okay, so that was a 4 and 1. That was lucky. Now I'm going to do the number thing. So look the other way. And if you don't guess it within 3, I get to go again. That's the rule. Oh, God, be careful. Okay. You can come back. And it's 1 through 10, by the way.
Okay. 3.
Nope.
5.
Nope.
9.
No.
No!
I'm opening another. Well, how about this? I pick the one and you can open it.
Okay.
But I get to pick, like, the category. I want to do this one.
Okay.
That one's really pretty. It's an Easter egg. We're dyeing Easter eggs tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was boiling a whole bunch of eggs last night, so we're all ready to go. My whole egg smelled like a big fart for, like, a couple hours.
Ooh. Okay.
Stop. I want it. Again, the urge I have to just, like, snatch it because it looks so satisfying. Can I snatch it? Thank you.
Mine, yeah.
Wait, this is kind of weird. It looks like the back of a beetle. Like one of those hard crunch ones. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. It's just prettier. Do you get my vision? I don't know. Maybe not. But that's really neat.
This guy likes getting hurt. Pinch me. Pinch me.
Pinch me. I'm Irish.
Squish me and pet me.
Okay. All right. So it's your turn, right, to do a challenge for me. Okay. What should we do this time? We did numbers. We did colors. We could do
letters.
Letters. Okay. I was gonna say months.
It goes up to E.
Okay. Are you gonna like mouth it?
Yeah. Okay.
B.
No.
A, B, C, D, E. D.
Yes.
Yeah! You made it easy on me. You could have done like the whole alphabet, but that would probably be really hard.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's do. Wait, there's another egg? This one's different.
Color change.
Oh my gosh! I wasn't expecting to actually really, really want a lot of these. I am so excited to trade. Like, Alana has all the new cool ones. This is my favorite. It's like cotton candy dipped. Oh my god. The satisfaction.
I'm gonna
Satisfaction is so real. Wait, what does this remind you of?
Cotton candy.
Well, no, but it's a cotton candy flavor of something at the grocery store. It's in the refrigerator section.
Ice cream?
No, it reminds me of the Trix yogurt cups. Like the cotton candy. You know what I mean?
I'm gonna open the other one.
Oh my god. I'm obsessed. Obsessed
It's
you
the
later.
same dilly darn thing.
Same dilly darn thing.
So you can maybe get one.
I will honestly be happy with either. These really remind me of the Trix yogurt cups. You guys know? Comment the bunny emoji below. I used to love Trix. I just want to hold both of them. We forgot about our game. Are we just gonna open them freely now? Or
Yeah.
yeah? Okay.
You're gonna open the yellow one. I'm gonna open the pink one.
Yes. Okay. I'm surprised you don't want the yellow because
bunny.
that's your favorite color. Okay, let's see. I just want to bite these. They're like so the texture is just like but the baby.
They're so funny looking.
Yeah, there's a little. I actually wait. Sniff. These are supposed to be scented. It smells like a bad pina colada. But wait, can I smell
This is
yours?
my first pina colada.
Oh yeah, I love that TikTok. Not gonna lie, I have this yellow bunny one too, and I thought that was like a birth defect. You see the little. I thought it was a skin tag or something, but it's supposed to be like fur. So, wait, stop. Look at this. And my nails are freshly done. I feel like this is
Freshly done.
yes. Okay. Wait, did you? Oh, there's some from your personal collection down here.
This is my favorite.
I was like, this one's a little hairy. Like, but not on purpose. Like, not like this. It's like hairy. It's okay. It happens to the
I'm
best of
gonna
us.
open the glow-in-the-dark ball.
Ooh. I don't have that one, I don't think. I had one. They used to make them white. They used to be a lot more boring. They switched it up. Oh, I feel like that's one of your favorites. And it matches you. Like, perfectly. It matches her. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm like blinded by it. Oh my god. It's so bright. In a good way. She's not going to want to trade this, but I'm going to want it. Okay.
Good catch, poet buddy.
Thanks.
Let's open the funky puppies.
Okay. Oh, you got two of these. Ooh, maybe I'll try to trade you one of your dogs for cat. Because I have like 4 of the cats, and I don't have any dogs. So, just saying.
Dogs.
We'll try that. Well, and you have a duplicate.
Yeah.
So these are
I
like...
have 3 dogs, actually.
Ah, you do. That one's just a little more loved. I remember whenever I would fidget trade with Callie, hers were always very, very loved. They had some extra hairs attached. And be like, they're good. They're just a little banged up.
It's gonna be so satisfying. Ready?
I love doing that. You know what? Wait. That reminds me of a certain ride at Kennywood. Can you figure it out? Look at the colors. Think of roller coasters. I don't know if you paid that much attention to it, but...
Phantom's Revenge?
Yeah, those are the colors of the Phantom's Revenge at Kennywood.
There's 2
Teal
more,
and purple.
exactly.
Oh my god, are they the same? No, they're not the same.
Not.
I was going to say
Which one do
breed.
you want to open?
This one, because I already have this one. That one's really cool, though.
Yeah.
But, okay, so, I almost called you Hallie. Alana has the Neato Marshmallow.
Mellow.
And I have this one that looks like a beetle, in my opinion. I'm telling you, like, there's a certain kind of shiny beetle. It just looks like this.
Mine's so satisfying.
That is so satisfying. Wait for this. He doesn't want to come out of its case. I'm scaring him. Oh my gosh.
I love this big guy.
This is so satisfying. Big guy. Big guy. Bum, 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 bum.
Wait,
I don't know
no,
the
we need a
words.
dance moment.
Oh, yeah. Go ahead. Go for it. Big guy. Big guy.
Big guy. Big guy. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay. SpongeBob, big guy, pants okay.
Wow! Wow! I never learned that. But I love that you know it so well. Okay, so we opened all of them. Wait, we should put all of them in here now, and you can look at your whole entire Neato collection with satisfaction in your eyes. We didn't really show him, by the way, because there's
It's
nothing to
Mr. Pete.
open. We have to, wait, I'm going to just gently take the little tag off of him. There we go.
So he's not gonna
Oh, wait, we
show.
did show him. We just, it confused me because there was nothing to, like, unbox. So,
This is
Oh!
my collection now.
Yeah, but it's probably going to change a little bit in like 20 minutes because right after this, wait, I actually have an extra right here. That's so funny. We're going to be trading Neatos on my channel. This was a mess up one because they're supposed to be on the same side and it's opposite. But
It's okay.
I know, I'm just so specific about everything. So out of all of the ones that we opened today, which one is your favorite?
Big guy.
Big guy, big guy. Okay, so mine, it's so hard. I try to imagine if someone said you could only keep one, and that's which one I pick. Jeez. Where did that Trix yogurt one? You think I didn't see that?
Is this one?
Oh, that's the one. I couldn't remember. Okay, so it's that one. And this like cotton candy swirled egg. So I will definitely be trying to get those. But we'll see. I don't know. I feel like Gohana's a very fair trader. Like she understands the logistics of Neato trading and what's more valuable than the other. And yeah, it's it's like a sport.
Do you know who that's really good at it?
Huh.
Hazel.
Really? Like
She's real good.
Neato trading?
Yeah.
Oh, did you trade with her?
No, but she traded with her friends.
Oh.
Her friend got her started, and she's like, I'm rich now.
Rich in Neatos. I love it.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, then make sure you go watch all my other videos.
Yes. Subscribe.
And subscribe to Purple Star Zone too if you haven't.
Yes. We love you guys, and we will talk to you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.